Now I have a machine gun. Ho, ho, ho.
Hey, I want a machine gun too!
You already have a machine gun, idiot.
Oh, right. Well, then I want a bazooka!
What's wrong with you? Tony is dead.
Yeah, but at least he got a present!
He didn't get a present. The guy who killed him took his machine gun.
Why would some guy write, "Now I have a machine gun"? He would write, "I took Tony's machine gun."
You think Tony wrote that on his own shirt?
Well, he probably wanted to brag about the new machine gun he got for Christmas, which apparently no one else got.
If Tony wrote that on his own shirt, then why is he dead?
He probably got so excited he had a heart attack.
His neck's broken.
Maybe he was putting the shirt on and his head got stuck and he pulled really hard and it broke his neck.
Broke his neck putting on his own shirt in an elevator with no shoes on.
It could happen.
No, it couldn't.
Yeah, it could. In 1567, there was this guy named Hans Steigenberger who had the world's longest beard. One day there was a fire. Hans was running towards it. He stepped on his own beard, lost his balance, fell and broke his neck.
That never happened.
It's documented.
Whatever. Call Carl. Tell him his brother's dead.
Carl, come down here. And just so you know, Tony got a machine gun for Christmas and no one else did.